Open Collective Review, my honest user experience with the crowdfunding platform. If you're funding a community project or open source initiative, Open Collective promises transparent, collaborative crowdfunding. Here's my honest experience. Most people assume crowdfunding platforms only handle donations. The surprising truth is Open Collective provides full financial transparency, automated accounting and recurring support, making it ideal for organizations and communities. Signing up is straightforward. You create a collective, set goals, and start accepting contributions via credit card, PayPal, or bank transfer. Contributors can see exactly how funds are used, building trust. One standout feature is recurring contributions. Supporters can pledge monthly, ensuring a predictable budget for ongoing projects. I tested this with an open source project, and the automated reporting made financial tracking effortless. Fees are transparent. Open Collective charges a small platform fee plus payment processor fees, but there are no hidden costs. This clarity is refreshing compared to other platforms. The only downside is that it's primarily suited for community or non-profit projects. Traditional startups may need more flexible funding options. In conclusion, Open Collective is a reliable, transparent, and user-friendly crowdfunding platform. If you want accountability, recurring support, and smooth financial management for your project, it's worth trying.